This is St. Bartholomew's Hospital. This is the courtyard. First are the external thyssencraps, which have been demolished. Oh wait, no they haven't. They're actually in a different part of the hospital. And I've now found the external thyssencraps that I thought had been knocked down.
Lift going up. Doors closing.
I thought this lift had been
Second
part of the
floor.
hospital that was demolished. But now it's
Doors
here.
opening.
This is just the Jewish Community Centre.
Lift going down. Doors closing. Basement. Doors opening.
Basement is weird. This is the Garrett ward. This is the main lift here and it's this is the staircase. Nice architectural. This building is deserted. This is the main lift here. 2, lights up. Ground 3, an alarm. And this is the Leonard lift and it's been modernised, the old panel's gone. 2, temporarily lights up ground 3 and the alarm button all in red, even though the alarm button should usually actually be white. Ground 3 and alarm also lit up by pushing basement. Appears we're going up even higher. This is weird. It's the G-House penalty. It seems to be working now. Let's go down to basement. This is weird. This hospital is like broken. This is the exit lift for people who are in a bed and they can't get out of the bed. Because maybe there's like some machinery that's in their body, like IV, and it's attached to the bed. So the bed's like attached to them. So they need to be taken out in a lift because they can't get out of the bed, it's attached to them. Basement. There's a fire thing here. This basement's really spooky. In this building, the fire alarm's kind of semi-gone off. It's so strange. The fire control panel says the fire alarm's gone off, but none of the bells are ringing. It's so weird. It feels abandoned. This is the management offices. Which is locked. Museum. It's also locked. Bart's hospital has a lot of inspirational passages from the Bible. And now to the next building, which has a modernised Hammond and Champness. Lift Company. This building is so spooky. Hammond and Champness modernised by General Lift Company. Hello. Going down to the basement. Hammond and Champness. This building is weird.
Basement floor.
It's so strange. And now to the next building, the King George V building. All the lifts here are thistlecraps.
Very good.
Doors closing.
This is the lift at A of the thistlecraps. And they're doing modernisation works. It's weird. It's quite fast.
Level 6. Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing. Basement. Level 1.
They just played
Doors
two announcements.
opening. Lift going up. Doors closing.
B0 light is broken.
Basement. Level 0. Doors opening. Lift going up.
Quello sono vedremo magari fuori guarderemo tramite noi che dai che tu sul passaggio poi si devono a me diciamo di Natale e diciamo di Natale oppure diciamo da sa se lo faccio te da se lo facciano non si vede
Level 3. Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing. Level 6. Door.
Now I am on the roof. You must wear safety helmets, protective footwear. I'm not wearing any of those, so I can't go to wherever that sign. I can't go to the construction area where they're doing stuff. So this is the view. It's an amazing view.
Lift going up. Doors closing. Level 7.
Let's see what's on the top floor.
Doors opening.
A floor which isn't having construction done, so I don't need a hard hat. Let me show you the doors on this lift. So,
Lift going down.
closing.
Doors closing.
So weird and squeaky. Opening. That's so spooky, and opening especially, it sounds like a train. So spooky. Wow. Crazy. Made even spookier by the fact that it's a dark day. It's November, only occurring in June. So, this is the central atrium. It's deserted.
Lift going up.
Continue up. And a different lift. Amazing view. It's down in the atrium, and this is right out of London. The atrium is quite dark here, not like Guy's, which has a nice light atrium. So weird. It's amazing. And this is central area. I'm going to go to the basement if I can find it, because there's no static thing, but no door. They've removed the door. Now back to the lifts. I've been in all three of these lifts
Lift
by now.
going down.
Listen crap.
Basement. Level 1. Doors opening.
Since the link bridge is closed, I've had to find an alternative way in. And I found one. I found a pair of lifts. They are both listen craps.
Doors closing.
All the doors are locked.
Doors opening.
Everything's locked. And now to the Qe2 Wing. All the lifts here are old, but have been modernised with Dewhurst. But sadly, the best lift, the budget lift which goes really fast, wasn't here there is an out-of-service lift, but it's a very unusual lift. This is a generic, made by Budget Lift in the 30s, and it is sadly being modernised by Skanska, and it is actually, it's very fast. It goes at 2 meters per second, which is fast for a 1930s lift, let alone a 1930s generic. Probably gonna make it go slower. And indoors I can understand, but I like them to keep the outer doors and keep it going nice and fast. And now over to this set of lifts. This lift is very small.
Doors closing. First floor.
This budge. This is going really fast. It's noticed that it's been modernised. It's all really nice, small, rattly, fast out this old lift. I like this like this. Inspection. And, that means the lift's on inspection mode. Somebody's been in the lift and took it to the inspection mode using surfing control. At St. Bartholomew the Great, where they keep filming loads of quite good films. Stopped at the 4th floor. I'm hearing an intermittent fire alarm.
Going down.
It's an old Otis horribly modernised by Apollo.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Go down to basement and upstairs. Doors close slowly.
Going down. Floor 1. Doors open.
Let's go up to 3.
Going up.
Don't stop, please skip this floor. Go up to 2.
Floor 2. Doors open.
The ward next to these lifts has some old Otis dumb waiters which have been deactivated by simply putting plywood panels in front of the doors, and they still work. But sadly this is a no photography ward. This hospital has a lot of full-size dumb waiters, but they're all broken. The Kenton and Lucas wing. There is a lift which doesn't work. It just was a bit unresponsive
Going down.
and slow.
Doors closing. Floor -1. Doors open.
Now into the Priory, which used to be part of the hospital, but is not part of the hospital anymore. This is where the church that they always use in films. From the BBC like to come here and film things. I'm gonna come here and film things. I mean, it is locked, which it should